As you might have noticed, Microsoft Word sometimes automatically corrects words in your document. This function is called AutoCorrect, and now you are going to learn how to handle this function and how to add words to the AutoCorrect. One case in which Word automatically corrects something is when we start a new sentence with a lowercase word. The software will then capitalize the first letter. When we now move the mouse over the automatically corrected word, a blue small box will appear, and when we move our mouse to that box, a button will appear which gives us access to some autocorrect options. When we click on it, we can choose if we want to revert the automatic changes or if we want to stop the autocorrect for this issue in the future. At the bottom, we can also open further autocorrect options. By the way, these options can also be accessed when we open the File tab, click on Options, then open the Proofing tab and click on Autocorrect options. Here we can now really activate or deactivate all of the autocorrect options that are available in Word. Note that this window consists of multiple tabs and that there are options in each tab. But we can not only handle the available options. In the section Replace text as you type, we can add words that we often misspell and that we want to be corrected automatically. So try this yourself now. Let's say that you often misspell the word document as docmunit. Pause the video and add these words to the autocorrect now, and also test if it worked. Okay, I guess you managed this task. In the replace column, we simply write the commonly misspelled word, which is docmunit. And in the with column, we write the correct word. When we now click on OK, the changes will be saved. So when we enter the wrong word now and press the space bar on our keyboard, the word will be automatically corrected. And that's it. Now you know how to handle the autocorrect function and how to add words to it. Go ahead and watch the other videos to learn more about reviewing a document.